Namaste everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how the Earth was born. The birth of Earth is a fascinating tale that spans billions of years and involves a complex interplay of cosmic events, from the formation of the universe itself to the evolution of our solar system. While it would take volumes to fully explore every aspect of this epic saga, I'll endeavor to condense it into a comprehensive overview within the constraints of your request. The story begins with the Big Bang, the event that marked the beginning of the universe approximately 13.8 billion years ago. In the fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion, known as cosmic inflation, during which space itself stretched exponentially. As the universe expanded and cooled, matter began to coalesce into subatomic particles, which eventually formed atoms. Over millions of years, these atoms began to clump together due to gravity, forming clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae. Within these nebulae, pockets of higher density formed, leading to the birth of stars. The force of gravity caused these dense regions to collapse further, igniting nuclear fusion reactions in their cores and giving birth to the first generation of stars, often referred to as population 3 stars. These early stars were massive and short-lived compared to modern stars, burning through their nuclear fuel in just a few million years before ending their lives in cataclysmic supernova explosions. These explosions seeded the surrounding space with heavier elements forged in their cores, enriching the interstellar medium with elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. One such enriched region of space eventually became the birthplace of our own solar system. About 4.6 billion years ago, a nearby supernova explosion or a passing molecular cloud triggered the collapse of a molecular cloud, causing it to contract under its own gravity. As the cloud collapsed, it began to spin, forming a rotating disk of gas and dust surrounding a central core. At the center of this disk, a protostar began to form as the densest regions of gas and dust accreted onto the core. Over time, the protostar grew hotter and denser, eventually reaching temperatures and pressures high enough to initiate nuclear fusion in its core, marking the birth of the Sunday. Meanwhile, in the surrounding disk, smaller clumps of material called planetesimals began to collide and accrete, forming larger bodies known as protoplanets. The process of planetary formation was a chaotic and violent affair, with protoplanets colliding and merging to form larger bodies. These collisions released enormous amounts of energy, melting the surfaces of the growing planets and causing them to differentiate into layers based on density. In the inner regions of the solar system, where temperatures were higher, only dense, rocky materials could condense, leading to the formation of the terrestrial planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Earth, like its sister planets, underwent a process of differentiation, with heavier materials sinking to its core to form a metallic core, while lighter materials rose to the surface to form the crust and mantle. Early in its history, Earth was bombarded by asteroids and comets, a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, which contributed water and volatile compounds to its surface. As Earth cooled and its surface solidified, the stage was set for the emergence of life. While the exact origins of life on Earth remain a subject of scientific debate, it is believed to have arisen from simple organic molecules in the primordial oceans, perhaps catalyzed by energy from lightning strikes or hydrothermal vents. Over billions of years, life evolved and diversified, eventually giving rise to the rich tapestry of organisms that inhabit our planet today. In summary, the birth of Earth was a long and intricate process that began with the formation of the universe itself and culminated in the emergence of our home planet within the swirling disk of gas and dust surrounding a young Sunday. Through the relentless forces of gravity, accretion, and differentiation, Earth took shape, providing a hospitable environment for the evolution of life as we know it. Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue making these knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.